the Wanderer. Happy birthday. Alam ko na masaya ka sa mga oras na ito sapagkat marami kong nagmamahal sa iyo. Ako ay tuwang-tuwa sa iyong mga upload videos. Maraming salamat. At nag-i-enjoy akong panoorin ang iyong mga upload videos para na rin akong nakarating sa mga lugar na ipinapakita mo sa pamamagitan ng iyong mga upload videos. Kaya naman nakikita mo naman na lagi akong pumupunta, nanonood ng iyong mga upload videos. Ayan. At nawa ay makamtan mo, makamit mo ang iyong mga wish at mga hangarin pa sa buhay. At tuwan-tuwa rin ako sa accent ng iyong English. Sa totoo lang, tuwan-tuwa ako. Gustong-gusto kong pinapanood talaga ang mga upload videos mo. Ako yung nag-i-enjoy. Ayan. At ako rin po ay naglalambing sa inyong lahat na pakisupport na rin po yung aking channel, Christina 1122 Valencia. At nawa ay maging masaya po ang ating bagong taong darating. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye. God bless us all. I love you.
Mga langga, meron lang akong babatingin sa aming kaibigan dito sa Whitey World na si Shoot Wanderer. Happy birthday, Shoot! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa you! Okay, Shoot? Wish you more birthdays to come and more candles to blow. Happy birthday, Shoot! Salamat sa support mo sa ating channel. At ako hindi rin sawa mag-support sa channel nyo. At alam mo naman, minsan busy si ate. Ayan, Shoot. Stay healthy. Stay sexy. Stay beautiful. Ayan. Happy birthday, Shoot. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless you. Shoot. Love you. Bye-bye.
Hello! Merry Christmas to everyone! Ayan guys, ako po si Marlene Lozano, my channel. Ayan po, babatiin ko po ang aking kapatid sa YT, ang aking family sa Pinoy Empower Plus, sa Team Tip, ang aking kapatid na si Shoot in the Wonderland. Ayan, happy birthday sa'yo, sisi ko. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng pagsuporta sa amin mga kapatid mo ng Team Tip. Happy birthday, still humble, still beauty, and then ayan na lahat. Happy birthday, sisi ko. Palain ka ng Panginoon. Blessing to God and good health. Ingat palagi. And thank you so much walang sawang pag-support sa akin. Thank you. Happy birthday, Sisi Koy. Shoot in the Wanderer. Din kami shout out sa mga kapatid ko sa Team Pip. Happy birthday, Sisi Koy. Shoot in the Wanderer. Happy birthday. Tayo ang inumin, sa amin ang pagkain. Ayan guys, happy birthday ulit, Sisi Koy. Thank you so much. And good health and more birthday.
Good evening and good morning to everyone. Nandito ako ngayon para i-greet ko si Sis the Wonder. Sis Shoot the Wanderer. Hello sis! Happy birthday sa'yo! Wish ko sa'yo and good health and healthy and stay beautiful. Stay whatever you are. And nagpapasalamat ako sa mga tulong mo sa channel namin, channel ko, at lalong-lalo na kay Sis Division Guapa at Sir Pip. Pip Division Tem. Mabuhay! At once again, happy birthday and Merry Christmas and advance Happy New Year! Mabuhay tayong lahat! I love you all! Team Pip Division Team.
Hi! Sila nang happy birthday and wishing you all the best in life. And ang pinaka-wish ko din sa imo is tani may yara na little one very soon. Enjoy life there in Canada and together with your family. And then, hope to see you soon. I miss you and I love you. Have a good one.
I wish you good health always, happy family, and being a strong woman always. Thank you, Sisi, for accepting my your friend and helping me, giving me advices as a small YouTuber. Thank you, Sisi. Happy birthday. God bless you and your family. Thank you.
So, this is Rawilicious at nandito ako ngayon para batiin ang aking maganda, sexy at mabait na kaibigan na si Sisi Shoot. Happy birthday, Sisi Shoot! So, congratulations to your newly monetized channel. Enjoy being a YouTuber and congratulations ulit dahil sa magagandang videos na ina-upload mo at sana makapag-upload ka pa ng mas magagandang video. So muli, happy birthday! I love you and I miss you. Good luck to your channel at sana mas mag-enjoy ka pa sa iyong YouTube channel. So, mali Sisi, I miss you at happy birthday. Stay pretty, stay beautiful, stay humble, and stay healthy and strong. So, happy birthday! I miss you.
Ayan, si Shot. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. More blessings to come. And good health always. Lalo na sa family mo. I'm so thankful dahil isa ako na nabigyan mo ng opportunity na batian ka ng happy birthday. At maraming salamat din sa mga support mo sa amin in Power Plus. Kahit alam namin na busy ka din, andyan ka sa support. Thank you so much. At maraming salamat din dahil nakilala kita sa YT World bilang kaibigan ko. Isa sa pinaka mabait kong kaibigan din dito sa YT World. Thank you so much. At mag-iingat ka lagi. Alam mo naman ngayon sa panahon ng pandemic, diba? Uso ang sakit, tulad kung may sakit. Sorry dahil late, ngayon lang medyo okay yung pakiramdam. Ayan, once again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day with your family. At sana pagpalain ka pa ni Lord. Ayan. Happy birthday once again.
Hi, Sisi Erichel Makiling-Shoot. Thank you so much, Sisi, na isa ako sa in-invite mo na mag-greet sa karawan mo. Thank you so much talaga. And this is it. Ito na yung wish ko para sa'yo. I pray that God blesses you with all the happiness in the universe. And may you prosper and shine everywhere you go. And also your family. And wishing you all safe. And many more birthdays to come, Sisiko. And God bless. Enjoy your day. And thank you so much sa lahat ng mga support mo sa akin. Ikakantan kita. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sisi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sisi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sisi. I wish you happy birthday to you. Thank you so much, Sisi, and God bless you always.
Shout out for everyone. Hindi kami shout out world. Hindi kami shout out Philippines. Ayun. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Vanessa Tabludi YouTube channel, and Ishop the Wanderer. Yun po. Mami Shot, happy birthday po. At sana po ay mabuhay ka po palang matagal at laging masaya at laging maganda. Ayun, kahit po hindi mo tayo nakilala sa first lang, alam ko na ikaw ay napakabait, malambot ang iyong puso, matulungin, at madaling lang. Charot. Ayun no, so happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po ay pagpatuloy mo lang po ang iyong kabaitan sa mundo nito ng ating ginagalawan. Ayun. So, sana po sa iyong birthday ay masaya sa iyong mga pamilya, sa iyong mga kaibigan, sa iyong Whitey World friend, no? At thank you so much for inviting me. Nako, hindi ako masyado marunong mag-English. Buti ka pa naman, nako, ang ganda mo talagang mag-English. So, once again, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa'yo. Thank you so much. And once again, happy birthday. Wow.
Before we split up, always believed we would never. Till the afternoon. That was when the moon started to become blue. Oh, so I surrendered, 'cause I couldn't see things getting better. No, in the afternoon, did what I could do. Now you're in my rearview. Yeah. Oh, hasn't always been this wrong of despair. But after some time, I realized you're